Hello everyone, welcome to CKA Lab 16. Let's look at the requirements. It's about network policy. The requirements are we're going to create a policy with certain name in certain namespace, and that namespace has to have certain label because in the arguments of our parameters of the network policy, we will allow traffic to port 80 to the namespaces that has a certain label, so which is foo equals bar. All right. So first of all, so this is the solution, but we're going to start with a simple. First of all, let's start with the namespace. So let's create the namespace. Okay. Create ns netpol. Now we need to give it a label k label namespace. It's going to work like that, but let's see. K label namespace foo equals bar. So we provided with no name. Oh yeah, because we didn't do k label namespace. Netpol is the name of the namespace. If that works. Oh, that works. So let's k get ns dash dash show labels. And netpol, and there's the label foo equals bar. All right. So now we start with Kubernetes IO documentation because you're allowed to have access to this site during the test. So let's do netpol and the network policy. This is a big one, and we will trim this out because all we need is the ingress. All right. So via.yaml. This is our example. Lots of blank lines. I don't like that, but it is what it is. Name is going to be netpol-idaho. It's a random name. PodSelector, no. What you really want is a, that's fine. Well, that's not fine actually. policyTypes, yep, we don't need podSelectors. We only need Ingress. In the Ingress part, there's an example of namespaceSelector, matchLabels, foo equals bar. We don't need a podSelector. Ports, I believe, and the requirements, I think only port 80. Port 80, okay. Port 80. We don't have an ingress, so we can take that out. To make it more readable, actually doesn't matter. Namespace has to be netpol, we know that. Let's see if that works. Okay, apply -f a.yaml. Doesn't like something. Missing required field. Oh, it is a required. Okay, so let's go back to our example here. PodSelector. Not sure what we're going to put there. Let's see. This under spec. All right, fine. And yep, under spec. Okay. Da, da, da. That is required. I wonder if the requirement says anything like that. How much time do I have left? It's not 41 seconds. So we'll have to continue this on part 2 probably, but let's see. In the requirements, oh, it's blank, just blank. So :/ just blank, so any pod. Let's see if that works. And voila, that worked. So, okay, I will see you in lab 16 of CK. So